Hello everyone, I am Vinay. Today we will discuss about the business model Canva and Apple company. First we will discuss about the key partners. In 2000, Apple relied on several key partners to manufacture, distribute and enhance its products. Manufacturing partners, Apple partnered with companies like Foxconn or hardware production, ensuring high quality and cost efficiency. Software developers, the Mac ecosystem was growing, and Apple encouraged third-party developers to create applications for its Mac OS platforms. Apple distributed products that retailers like Best Buys, Compasses, and other electronics stores before launching its Apple stores in 2001. Component suppliers. Apple sourced critical components such as processor for IBM and Motorola, PowerPC processors, and display screens for companies like Samsung, etc. Music industry. Emerging partnership. As Apple prepared to launch iTunes and later the iPods, securing partnerships with record labels became a crucial strategy. Then we will discuss about the key activities. Apple primarily activities in 2000 revolved around innovation, product design, and brand marketing. Product development. Apple focused on refining Mac OS and developing new hardware, including iMac G3, Power Mac G4, and upcoming iPod. Software innovation. Apple was enhancing Mac OSs, working on iTunes, and improving QuickTime for multimedia capabilities. Branding and marketing. Often Apple was responsible itself and a premium innovation brand, emphasizing simplicity, design, and user experience.
Start off. Okay, I am Madhavan. I am going to tell about the key resources of the Apple company. Apple's ability to innovate and grow depended on several critical resources. First point is Steve Jobs and leadership team. Jobs' vision was central to Apple's resilience, along with key executives like Johnny Ive, he is a design partner, and Tim Cook, he is the operator of the Apple company. The second point is intellectual property. In intellectual property, Apple held numerous patents related to macOS X industrial designs, for example, the Mac G3, and upcoming products like the iPod. These are the intellectual property of the Apple company. The third point is about design and R&D teams. Mainly, the design and R&D team is a main component of a BMC because it is useful for the development of the company. For the Apple's product design and engineering teams were crucial in ensuring seamless hardware and software integration. Okay, and the next component of the BMC video is value propositions of the Apple company. Apple's value propositions in 2000 were centered around design, ease of use, and ecosystem integration. The first point of value proposition is simplicity and ease of use. Apple's products were known for their intuitive interface and user-friendly experience. Comparing to other OSs, Apple OSs have simpler themes, so that Apple remains a great competitor in other OS companies. The second one is the innovative design. Mainly, the Apple designs are quite simple, but it looks like a premium. For example, the iMac G3 with its colorful and sleek design set Apple apart from all other competitors. This is the main component for the Apple in the design. And the next one is the customer relationship, which is also a component of BMC. Apple built stronger customer relationship through various channels. First thing is Apple Stores. It is planned for 2001. Apple aimed to provide a unique shopping experience with hands-on product interaction. The next point is Apple Care and customer support. Apple Care plans offer extended support, reinforcing customer trust. And the next one is brand loyalty and community. Apple had a passionate use of ways with communicates, discussing products and forums and fan sites.
Hello everyone, I am Suresh. The next topic of the BMC video is channels. The Apple used multiple channels to receive the customer. Online sales. It is as an Apple website. Apple website allowed to direct position, reducing reliance on three-party related store. Three-party. Before Apple Store, product were sold through electrical retail and computer resale. Direct sale. Apple sold directly to business and schools. Official bulks support market and advising. Apple ran high quality market campaigning like a thinking difference ads, professional innovation and creative. The next topic is customer segment. The Apple target customer segment is 2000. Creative professional, graphic design, video edit and musical user. Apple hardware. This is the BMC model of Apple company. Thank you.